I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a charming brick rabbit. First, gather all your bricks and essential tools, like a trowel and level. Next, prepare a stable, flat surface for construction. Finally, sort your bricks by size and color to make building easier and more efficient. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable building process for your new brick friend. Now let's start building. Begin by laying a solid, level base layer, perhaps using bricks that are 2 by 4 inches, to ensure your rabbit is stable. Then, construct the main body, carefully interlocking each brick to create a strong structure. As you build upwards, gently shape the torso, remembering to leave appropriate spaces where the rabbit's 4 legs will attach later. With the body taking shape, it's time to add the defining features. Construct 4 sturdy leg sections, ensuring they are proportionate to the body. Next, form a rounded head, perhaps using smaller, curved bricks for a softer look. Finally, create 2 elongated ear structures, making sure they are securely attached and positioned to give your brick rabbit character. To complete your brick rabbit, add the finishing touches. Use small, contrasting bricks to create expressive eyes and a cute nose. Carefully smooth any rough edges or fill small gaps with mortar for a polished look. For added durability, especially if your rabbit will be outdoors, consider applying a protective sealant to help it withstand the elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.